Yeah.
Blessings to you. Welcome to Microstation Great Eye for Beginners tutorial. So I'm Rainiel Asinas Mejia, and today in our lesson 1 we will talk about a short introduction and workspace familiarization of the Microstation V8i. So our lesson objectives in our study or in our lesson 1 is to be able to know what to expect in transitioning from AutoCAD to Microstation V8i and to be familiarized with the workspace environment of the Microstation. So what is Microstation? Microstation is a computer aided design, or also called as CAD software, purpose built for infrastructure design, helping architects and engineers to bring their vision to life, present their design to the clients, and deliver their projects to the community. So we will talk about what are the differences, or we can say major differences, between Microstation and AutoCAD software. So first is the user interface. As we all know, in AutoCAD, when we use the AutoCAD, we already familiarize all the commands. So in AutoCAD, it's a complete command-based software, though there are also an icon that you can select and drop. Yeah. But in Microstation, it has a command as well, but that command can be shown in the, or we can say, in the icon of the program. So later I will show you how to know the commands of the Microstation program. So also in Microstation, commands can be customized through AccuDraw, while in AutoCAD, an automation of commands can be done through LISP programming. So the next differences is the software usage. As we all know, in AutoCAD, whenever you open the program or the software or the AutoCAD file or the AutoCAD, only a single program will be opened, and within that program there are multiple drawings that are open within that single program. However, in Microstation, only one drawing per program can be opened. However, you can open a multiple program to open a multiple drawings. Okay, so thirdly, creating a new drawing at startup, and that is for Microstation, because whenever you open the AutoCAD program software, it automatically create and name a file for you, while in Microstation, whenever you want to create a new file, so you need to create, rename it, save it before you can open the Microstation file. So later I will show you also how to do it. And lastly, I think the file extension. So I assume that you are familiar with AutoCAD. The file extension in AutoCAD is .dwg, and in AutoCAD you cannot open a Microstation file or the extension of .dgn. In Microstation, so you can choose both DGN extension or DWG AutoCAD file extension within the Microstation program. So that's the advantage of a Microstation program. So actually this is very helpful. Actually in the lower version of Microstation, this it doesn't have these features. So whenever we want to open, or if a drawing from an AutoCAD file, we need to convert it in order for us to open the drawings of the AutoCAD into Microstation. But the good thing that you update for the program that you can open both DGN and DWG file. So that's the good thing in Microstation. Okay, so now we will start how to open the program. Okay, so just click this icon. This is the, instead of putting here, I put it here in the taskbar. So I'll click, left click. So this is a Microstation Grade I Bentley by Bentley. So as I told you earlier, whenever you want to open and you don't have yet a file, or you don't have yet a drawing for Microstation, so you will create a new file. For here I have put example. Okay, so no, wait, here open a new file first, sorry. So I will put here example. Okay, save, and as you see, it is here now, so you can open it. So this is the environment of a Microstation software. Okay, so later I will tell you what is the purpose of this. Actually, this is for the selection of drawings. So before we go through here, we will see one by one what are the things here in the menu. Actually, this is the menu, and these two boxes, and at the side you will see the task bar and the project explorer here. So you see there. So before we continue on that one, later I will show you a brief preview what inside these menus. Okay, file, you can see here new, open, close, save as. So references, so this references is in AutoCAD. Whenever you click XREF or XR, so that is the one. So if we will click this one, you will see here, so you can attach references here. If you right click, attach, and then find the file that you want to attach. So where is this? For Microstation, okay, sample. Okay, so then example. We'll see. Maybe this one. Okay, so that is a sample. Okay, so later we will continue on that one. Detach. Okay, so we'll continue. Raster manager. So whenever you have a raster file, or we can say a picture of the drawing, or a scan of a drawing, so you can attach it here in the raster manager here. Okay, so as we go on in our study, we will see how it works. Okay, models. So see, okay, so models. Okay, just like in AutoCAD, models and layout. Okay, so okay, as I have said, later on we will discuss that one. Okay. Okay, so import. So you can see import text, images, CAD files, export, DGN, this is Microstation file, DWG and DXF, that is for AutoCAD file. Because as I have said a while ago, AutoCAD cannot open a Microstation file, so you can export it, so you can open the file in AutoCAD. So there are also other features here, and one familiar here, two familiar here are SketchUp and Google Earth. Okay, so in this menu, file menu, you can also see here print preview, print organizer. This is a one excellent features of the Microstation, because in this feature you can batch print of drawings. For example, you have a lot of drawings, 50 or 100 drawings. After setting up the print organizer, and clicking with just a click, it will continuously print those 100 files or drawings continuously. Okay, so properties, etc. So we'll continue. So edit, undo, Control Z, and redo is Control R. So we usually know that Control Z is undo, but normally redo is Control Y, right? But in Microstation it is Control R. So we see here paste special, find, replace text. So this good features also of the Microstation. It's like in MS Word, so you can find and replace that specific word within the Microstation drawing. Okay, select all, etc. Okay, so this is for 3D cells. So what is this cells? This is in AutoCAD what we call blocks. Okay, so blocks. Okay, dimension styles. So in AutoCAD, whenever you in the command bar, when you type the command D, so this is the same features. Okay, line styles, multi styles, text styles, and etc. Okay, so in settings menu, we can see here AccuDraw. This is a great tool also for in this Microstation software. Color books, color table, database, design file. So this is later in our in our second lesson. So we will, or third lesson, I mean, we will see some needed configurations that you need to do for you to work smoothly in Microstation. Okay, drawing scale, levels. So in AutoCAD, when you click LA, this is the one, display control E or level manager. So both of them. Okay, so in our studies, so we will see what are the differences between display only or level manager. Okay, so locks. So we will see all kind of locks here. So and Project Explorer, as we see here, and this is for 3D rendering and snaps. So there are a lot of snaps. And view attributes. So whenever you in AutoCAD, whenever you click the control plus one, so it will show the attributes. Okay. Oh, actually these attributes is from the drawing itself. Sorry. Okay, now we'll go to the tools. So here there are a lot of toolbars actually that you can choose from, and aside from this, there are also a lot of choices here in toolboxes. Whenever you click Control T or click this one, see there are a lot of toolbars. So we will try one. So how to use it, how it will pop. So for example, this one, modify toolbar. So automatically it will show this toolbar. Okay, so this one, intersect. Okay, and this is fillet. Okay, so later we will see that one as we go through in our study. So utilities. So key in. So what is this key in? This key in is a command. What is it? Command bar. Here you type your commands, and there's a lot of, if you don't know the commands, the good thing here in Microstation, there are choices here. Instead of typing, if you don't know the command, so you can just type it here or find it here. So there are a lot of it. Okay, import cells, points, files. Okay, so enough of that. So image render, auxiliary coordinates. So this is for the coordinate system. So whenever maybe you have a plot plan and you want to know the exact coordinates of your pipes in each point, so you can use this one. So after configuring the global origin, so you can just, or you can plot the coordinates here. So there will be a lesson, of course, in our succeeding lessons. I will show you how to use coordinate system and how to plot the coordinates. So, okay, actually in AutoCAD, there is a list program that was given to me by our senior designer. So it is from one of the guys as well, but here you don't need to program it, but because it is already embedded in this program. Okay, so blah blah blah, macro. If you know how to program through Visual Basic, you can do it here as well. You can add features by programming through Visual Basic editor. Okay, so create basic macro. So MDL applications. Okay, so here in Workspace, so we will see here preferences. We will click this one. So we will see some configurations here. So in our next study, we will show you what are the common configuration for me, my common configurations for me to work smoothly in this program. So here, so there are also options here that you will automatically save settings upon exiting the program. So here in Microstation, whenever you close the program, it automatically save your file. It will not prompt you to if you want to save it or not, but automatically it will save your file. Okay, you will see here operations, raster manager, references, spelling, tags, text, view options. You can see here as well, and configurations. You will see a lot of configurations here. So one of the good features of Microstation is you can save your settings, and that settings, whenever you go to other workstation or computer, just have that file in you and you can upload it or upload it on the computer that you want to use, and you will have the same settings that you have. Okay, so in our next lesson I will teach you and show you how to create a function keys command, reassignment of buttons like this. You can reassign the functions of your mouse and so on. So that's it for now. So I hope you have learned the workspace familiarization and some differences between Microstation and AutoCAD. So that's it for now. God bless us all. To God be the glory. Bye bye.